the Dottir Freedom On Grid. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at the Dottir Freedom On Grid earbuds, which are designed for those leading active lifestyles, such as working out, running, or just the outdoors. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide, USB-C charging cable, a storage bag, and an assortment of ear tips. The earbuds feature 12 hours of listening time, 72 hours with the case. Uses Bluetooth 5.2 with the Qualcomm 3040 chipsets, SBC, AAC, aptX, and aptX adaptive codec, ANC and transparency feature, touch and button controls, USB-C and wireless charging, and it's IPX7 waterproof. It comes in two color options, white and gray. Hey, just a short message here. Have you heard of M-Content? Well, if you haven't, it's a platform which allows you to earn crypto tokens by just watching videos. Exactly what you're doing now. So check out the app on the Google Play Store, App Store, or mcontent.net to get started. Why not earn free tokens while you watch? Use referral code BrianUnboxed when setting up the app and subscribe to my channel and you'll see all my content there. Taking a look at the case, it has a hockey puck style design. Fairly small and compact, and it feels solid all around. You have a groove pattern around it for the grip. The top has a branding, and on the back you'll find the USB-C charge port and the LED. Opening the case, you have the lip on the front with an arrow, and it just pops up. Earbuds are held into place by magnets, and they're easy to grip and remove from the case. The case has wireless charging, and you can see it here activate on the charger. The earbuds are not too large or bulky. It's light and it has a matte finish all around. Ear hooks are very flexible and soft. The ear markings are on the inside face. On the outside face, it has a logo along with the surface for the touch controls, for calls, ANC, and transparency. On the top, you have a button for volume levels and playback. Each of the earbuds have microphones, ear hooks, interchangeable ear tips, charging contacts, button and touch controls, and LED. Here they are side by side. The case is 73 millimeters all around and has a height of 33 millimeters. It weighs in at 100 grams and the earbuds come in at 19 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Dazzling like with diamonds in the light, glowing in the night like fireflies, blushing like the sunset in your eyes, floating like a halo.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Dottir Freedom On Grid microphone. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. The microphone came in loud and clear during calls, and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the earbuds. They felt secure and were very comfortable, and you have a wide assortment of ear tips to choose from so you can get the correct fit. I didn't feel excessive pressure in my ear canals. Ear hooks don't dig into the side and adds extra support. Build and quality is solid. The case feels durable along with the earbuds. The button and touch controls responded well, and they're easy to navigate once you get familiar with each of the functions. Battery life is excellent at 12 hours and 72 hours with the case. I like the wireless charging along with the IPX7 rating, so this will definitely protect you from the elements when working out or running. I would have liked to have seen app integration. The ANC and transparency modes worked as advertised, but nothing exceptional, and I feel it's in line with many that I have tested with these features. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it has its presence, not too heavy and not lacking at all. It's punchy and tight. Mids and highs come in clean and clear, and there's good separation. Vocals and instruments do stand out. I would describe it as energetic and a balanced sound all around. Overall, I feel these do perform and are targeted to those that lead active lifestyles, as it will give you the secure fit and protection from the elements when working out in the gym or running outside. So that is my review of the Dottir Freedom On Grid earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.